Sokos Hotel Kupittaa, Turku. I bought at least just stainless steel cup.
It's open. Mine is open.
Yeah.
But the rest of the floors are locked.
Yeah. But I have key, of course.
Directly to 9.
Yeah. In 2019 and completed in 2020 4355 to 091.
So they're still pretty brand new.
Yeah.
Shall we change?
Yeah. Probably one rack is still enough.
Yeah, one ride per elevator is enough to me. Since I've heard they're pretty busy.
Yeah. 13 person 1000 kilograms.
Yeah.
Expected by kiva jos meitä vaikka on.
Sounds like a 500, but it can be a 700 too.
Yeah.
So go ahead.
Yeah. Then 2019 or 2020 4355 092. I think this is manufactured in 2019, but built in 2020, but I'm not sure. But it was inspected in April 2020.
Yeah, so it
Yeah.
was finished in spring 2020.
Yeah.
9. We can end our trip at your floor.
Yeah. 13
Where
person. Fantastic. Inspected by Kiwais. Maintained by Kone.
Mm. Okay. And then your floor.
Yeah. This should say in Finnish and Swedish too, but it says only in English for some reason.
Yeah. No, it's an international one, so.
Yeah, but this still there are not so many international quests in this hotel.
No, because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah.
But maybe soon there will be more.
Yeah, but still more from Finland and some Swedish speaking ones also, of course. That's